So the next topic is trigonometric ratios. We have 6 trigonometric ratios. How many do we have? We have 6 ratios. What are those ratios? First one is sine theta. The second one is cos theta. Third one is tan theta. Fourth one is cosec theta. Fifth one is sec theta. And the sixth one is cot theta. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So each one of these ratios are having certain formulas. So let us understand them. In a right angle triangle, as I mentioned earlier, the lower or the base part is called adjacent. Opposite to this is called opposite angle or perpendicular, or height. Opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. So what is the formula of a sin theta? Sin theta is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. The formula for finding sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So the next one is the cos theta. For cos theta, it is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So to remember this, there is a small trick for that. To remember these both signs, based on these both formulas, you can write the remaining 4 formulas. So for that we have a trick. You can write it as, remember this, some people have curly brown hair. This is a line that you have to remember sin and cos. With that you can write the remaining 4 formulas. That is, some people have curly brown hair. Here the sum indicates sin theta. Coming to people is nothing but perpendicular. Perpendicular is also called termed as opposite. So let us write perpendicular or opposite. It is also called as opposite. Have is termed to be hypotenuse. Have is termed to be hypotenuse. That means sin theta is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse or opposite by hypotenuse. Coming to curly. Curly is nothing but cos theta. Curly is termed to be cos theta. Brown here is termed to be adjacent or base. Adjacent is also termed to be base. So base, or you'll also call it as adjacent. Here hair is nothing but again hypotenuse. Sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. By this one single line, you can remember these both formulas. We will discuss the remaining 4 formulas in the next video. Thank you.